sila.
Di parang ang saya.
Ang saya, isang
Kiwi and
pepino. And mango.
yeah,
Yung dalawa na
mango and cucumber.
Bebo.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, ang sarap pala ng drink. Parang syrup na.
Ang sarap.
Syrup. Siya yung mga buffet bukas ng syrup din. Para sulit.
Syrup yan, no?
Kasi,
Uy guys, ang ganda dito. Ang ano.
yes, welcome to Boracay Tropics Resort Hotel.
In fairness dito, ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Labas pa lang yun wala pa sa loob.
Yes.
Wait for our room tour.
Nice view. Nice stairs. Halay. Sa kanila.
The room is...
Guys.
Oh my gosh!
Legit
Yes!
guys, yung mga nag-area sa internet. Ito talaga.
This is
itsura
real.
niya.
Sobrang ganda guys.
Uy, ano na to? Sorry po.
Sabi sa ganda to.
Pang lalaki, pero yun kasi feminine.
Dahil yung ano natin na yung...
Ay, yung card. Ay, card na ba?
Oh, nice.
Okay po.
Oh my gosh! I like
So this is our room.
so
Ay, this one,
much.
yung susi lang po natin sa room, ma'am.
Okay po.
Okay, tapos sa room 601 po, sir. Okay. Pag may kailangan na po tayo, sir, tawag na lang po tayo sa plato.
Zero.
Zero.
May telephone naman po dyan.
Yes.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, kuya.
Kala ko yung tawag, kuya.
What? Oh my gosh! Ilan lang kami? Dami namin.
Dito na ako. Dito ako.
Gusto nyo, mamaya MI...
Okay.
Uy, patingin na si
Ito yung CR. Wow, it's so nice,
Oh my
guys!
gosh! Legit!
The room! CR pala to.
And then the shower. Toilet.
Ay,
May bidet, guys! May bidet. Sure. Okay. Well, as of now, I'm so satisfied with this room, with this hotel. How about you, kuya?
Wait lang, ihasarado ko mag-room tour
I'm satisfied also kasi sobrang ganda ng room nila. Hindi ko expected na ganito kaganda. Hindi ko rin expected na ganito
Kalaki.
yung space niya.
Yeah.
Spacious siya. Sobrang ganda niya. So yeah, siguro may recommend ko to for the, yung mga upcoming pang tour nyo sa may Boracay, tropical.
We are in station X. Yeah, guys.
Bro.
We are in station X.
10.
Okay. Sorry.
At may plastic. Ito yung the best.
Hi. So,
Guys, the best may plastic! May plastic!
Di mas madami naman sila.
Pero mas nakawarta na, pero mas mukha talaga ang candy. Kasi tingnan mo ito kulay pa lang.
Bakit? Mukha nga itong pang lalaki na hindi odd.
you guys, it's so great here. We also have alarm clock here. Snooze.
So we have change those.
So, saan dito yung kanan sa nakaliwa?
Kahit saan. And this is the bed.
Yo, what up?
And you can pull this. Oh my gosh.
Fully room. This is the extra bed.
Why are you
For the
starting
sixth
speaking
person?
English where earlier you're speaking Tagalog?
This is the extra bed for the 6th person.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can
No.
actually accommodate
And
6
then-
persons in here.
Yeah.
Here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you have a lot of
Perfect.
space here.
Ano
Then,
yung password na,
big
Jel?
space.
Nakawa ka na ka na?
Log in Boracay.
Uy,
Yung
feeling ko
password
mag... And then let us see the...